In this video, I will show you how to make a cartoon of your photo in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Canva. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add the photo that you want to turn into a cartoon. This can be a photo you've uploaded, or alternatively, you can just use one from Canva's library of photos. So I've actually got this picture here ready to go. And the first thing you're going to want to do is actually click onto the photo to select it. And once it's selected, what you need to do is come over to this toolbar on the left hand side and click onto apps just down here. There's actually two apps that you can use to turn your photo into a cartoon. The first one, if we come up to the search box at the top, is called Cartoonify. So if we just go ahead and search for that, then what you want to do, you're going to see the app come up. All you want to do is give it a click to open the app up. Make sure you have got the image selected, and then you're going to see a purple button which says Cartoonify and replace. So what you need to do is give this a click. As you can see, it's just going to take a minute or two to process through. And as you can see, here is our finished result. So you can see we've cartoonified our image. Now, another app that you can do this with is called Animeify. So again, click onto the image, then come over and click apps from the toolbar on the left hand side. And this time you just want to search for Animeify. So it's just about like this. You just want to give that a search. This is what the app looks like. It's the same sort of process. All you need to do is click onto the image, click onto the app itself, and then click the purple button to start the process to turn your photo into a cartoon. Again, you might just need to give it a minute or two to process through. And once that's finished, as you can see, here is our completed picture. So you can see it's done a slightly different version, a slightly different kind of cartoon. And that is how to turn your photo into a cartoon on Canva. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.